I had earlier mentioned that it is the principal nature of duties and responsibilities of a person that would decide whether he or she is a workman for the purposes of the Industrial Disputes Act or not. And in the case of employees whose principal duties and responsibilities are technical in nature, they would clearly be workmen for the purpose of the Industrial Disputes Act and would be entitled to the protection afforded under the Industrial Disputes Act. But what about the case of employees? The nature of duties, the nature of whose duties is principally managerial in nature. Will they have any protection under any labor laws? Even if their duties and responsibilities are principally managerial in nature, they would be entitled to protection under the Tamil Nadu Shops and Establishments Act, which is also applicable to the IT industry. So in the case of employees who will not come within the definition of workmen under the Industrial Disputes Act, they can still invoke the remedy under section 41 of the Tamil Nadu Shops and Establishments Act, as per which they can file a petition against unjust dismissal within a period of 30 days from the date of dismissal under the provisions of the Shops and Establishments Act.